Your life sciences research often requires you to measure, quantify, and understand the finest details and subcellular structures of your sample. Elyra 7 with Lattice SIM takes you beyond the diffraction limit of conventional microscopy to image your samples with super resolution. You examine the fastest processes in living samples, in large fields of view, in 3D, over long time periods, and with multiple colors. The Lattice SIM technology of your Elyra 7 brings structured illumination microscopy to a new level. Groundbreaking light efficiency gives you gentle super resolution imaging with incredibly high speed. At 255 frames per second, you will get your data faster than ever before. Elyra 7 lets you combine Lattice SIM with single molecule localization microscopy for techniques such as POM, D-storm, and paint. High-power laser lines across the visible spectrum allow to image labels from green to far red, with resolutions down to 20 nanometers laterally. Elyra 7 is also very flexible. You can employ a wealth of contrasting techniques and combine them with optical sectioning. The new Apotome mode gives you superfast optical sectioning of your 3D samples. All that, plus Elyra 7, works seamlessly in a correlative workflow with your electron microscopes from ZEISS. For further information, visit our website.